Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in selection series for CAIIB and presently we are dealing with probable questions in ABM. Today we'll be dealing in probability distribution and that also numericals. Very important ones. So follow the video till the end because if you don't follow it till the end, you'll miss out something important. Okay? Let's start. Let's start with the example directly. In how many ways can the three pencils be selected from 5 pencils? So here, solution is given over here, but I'll explain you the main concept over here. Okay, 3 pencils out of 5 pencils. So always remember this comes under combination. Now there are two things. One is permutation, and second is combination. Okay, combination. Now what do you mean by these? Okay, you need to understand the difference between these two first. Okay, so suppose if I have A and B, two persons A and B standing together. So in combination what happens is I'll put them in on one chair. Let's say A and B are sitting on one chair. So combination means what? A and B are sitting on one chair. That's it. Permutation means what? It's either A and B over here, or is it B and A over here? Who is sitting first? So permutation means order is important. Order. Okay. Order in which they are placed, that is important. But in combination, order is not important. It can be either AB or BA. It is one and the same. Okay. It is same over here. Here order is not important. And the happy part about it is, okay, before that let me give you the formula for this. Combination formula is NCR. That is what? N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. Okay. And permutation is NPR. So that is equal to N factorial upon only N minus R factorial. Here R factorial is not there. So permutation is n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and the combination is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that's why in CAIIB, importantly remember, you don't have permutation problems. So you are relieved from that. You have combination problems. So in how many ways can I put the 3 pencils out of these 5 pencils? Means what? If there are pencils 1, 2, 3 are there are, let's say, 5 pencils. 3, 4, 5, and I'll name them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so I have to select 3 pencils out of this. So I can select 1, 2, 3, or I can select 2, 3, 4, or I can select 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5, anything. I can select as many as possible. So in how many ways can I select this? So the ways of selecting this is combination. Combination means what? NCR. What is N? N means total number of pencils. Total number of pencils equals to what? 5. What is R? R is required. What am I requiring? 3 pencils. So R equals to 3. So what will I get? NCR 5C3. So what is 5C3? Say this. N factorial means 5 factorial over here upon R factorial. R means what? 3 factorial. See this, 3 factorial over here into n minus r. N minus r means 5 minus 3. So it becomes 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, right? So it is 2 factorial. Now what is factorial? Factorial means, let me remove this, whatever is not needed first. Okay, this you have got it, I think so, isn't it? So let me remove this part. Okay, yeah. So what is this now? Factorial. Factorial means, suppose if I have 5 factorial, what does it mean? It means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, means starting from that number up to 1, all the numbers which I multiply. Only remember, don't multiply with 0, don't go up to 0, because all the answers will be 0 then. Factorial means starting from that number up to 1, everything which is multiplied. Now if I ask you 3 factorial, give me the answer for 3 factorial now. Who can give me the answer for 3 factorial? Immediately. So easy it is. 3 into 2 into 1. So answer is 6. What is the answer for 5 factorial? This 5 factorial. Give me the answer. Fast, fast, fast. It is 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2. So what is the answer? Yeah, 120. Okay. Give me difficult one, but no, let not give you difficult. Let's say 4 factorial. So it is what? 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 12 to the 24. So answer is 24, right? So this is the way we calculate the factorials. But over here, how do I calculate? Do I calculate 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1? All these? No. What will I do? See this. 3 factorial means what? 3 to 1. 5 factorial means what? 5, 4, 3 to 1. So if I am having divide numerator over here and denominator over here, they'll get cancelled with each other. So what happens? This 3 factorial will get cancelled over here, because 3 to 1 both are getting cancelled. So what is remaining now? Only 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 over here upon 2 factorial is remaining. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. So that is 2 into 2 only. So multiply it, I'll get it 10. So in 10 different ways I can take the pencils, 3 pencils out of the 5 pencils. Okay. So it is always NCR. Never forget this NCR formula. N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. Okay. Clear everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Type yes everyone. Okay. Move on. Next one. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever is needed for CAIIB clearance or JIIB clearance, you will be getting it over here. So do it fast. Okay. From a group of 7 boys and 6 girls, 3 boys and 4 girls is to be selected. In how many ways can this be done? So again the same logic. Well, how many number of boys are there? See here. What is given? Now you come over here, you face some important part, that is and over here. Okay. I have to select what? 3 boys and 4 girls. So and means what? Here always remember in probability, and means multiply. Means multiply. And if it is or means it is plus. Okay. So and means multiply, or means plus. So I have to do and over here. So 3 boys I have to select and 4 girls I have to select. In how many ways can this be done? Okay. Let's solve them separately. Let's keep boys and girls separately. So boys, how can I solve the boys problem now? Boys, again see here, 3 boys out of 7 boys, right? So it's again that pencil problem, right? So NCR 7C3, right? So what is the formula for 7C3? 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 minus 3. So that is 4 factorial. Now give me the answer. See this, 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So what is the answer? Everyone try it yourself. Don't copy from this slide which I am giving. Everyone try it yourself. Because in exams, you will be the one who will be answering, not me. Okay. So I've already cleared all these exams. So what is the answer over here? Who can give me the answer fast without looking at here? Be true to yourself. Because you have to answer yourself only, no one else. So what is the answer? It is 35. Correct. It is 35. What about this? Girls. Girls is what? Give me the figure over here. How do I write it over here? 6C4. Right? So what is 64? 6 factorial upon 4 factorial into, give me now, what is over here? Into, what is it? What should I write? 2 factorial. Correct. 2. So solve it. Again 6 and 4 go. So say this, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 4, see here, 4 into 3 into 2, 1. It means what? 4 factorial only. So 4 factorial gets cancelled. So what remains? 6 5 is 30 upon 2. So it is 15. So girls is what? 15. So in 15 ways I can select 4 girls out of 6 girls. And in 35 ways I can select 3 boys out of 7 boys. But I want what? Both of them. And 3 boys and 4 girls. So if it is and, it means what? It is a multiplication. So how many ways can I do it? 35 into 15. So 35 into 15 is 525 ways. So in this many ways I can select. Okay. Now if the problem would have been, let me twist this problem. If I give it or, means 3 boys or 4 girls I have to select. Now give me the answer. Easiest answer. Let me see. What did I say for or? What did I say for or? Everyone. Give me the answer now. Answer should be everyone. It should be or. Or means plus. So it will be 35 plus 15. So it is 50 ways. It will be 50 ways over here. If the problem comes with or, you have to do it 50 ways. If the problem comes with and, you have to do it 525 ways. Okay. So and means multiply, or means plus. Never forget this. Okay. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates for JIB and CAIIB. Number 1. Number 2, latest YouTube series. YouTube series means free YouTube series. We are giving all the knowledge. What are you looking at right now? What are you watching right now? You are watching Officers, this free YouTube series, right, on probability. So this, similar to this, you will be getting many free YouTube series on many subjects. So subscribe to it, click on the bell icon immediately, and this is Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Follow it. Okay. Move on. Now this, a random experiment is done, throwing a dice. Okay, throwing a dice. Let's see. So dice means what? Dice means we played that Ludo. Remember, dice means we don't know these names here, but this is Ludo, right? We played that Ludo 6 faces, right? All that over here. You might be knowing all these, na? How many of you know dice? How many of you know dice? Type yes in the comment section. There are say 4 faces over here. Then if it is 4, below it is 3. Then here 2 over here. Then 5 on the other side. There is 1 over here. 6 on the other side. All these things, right? You have played Ludo. How many of you have played Ludo and that snakes and ladders? How many of you have played? Type yes in the comment section. Snakes and ladders, Ludo, and what not. Two are the main ones. Okay. So yes, I am saying, yeah, correct. Okay. So throwing a dice. So Ludo, okay, means simply throwing a dice. Okay. So what is the sample space? How many outputs can be there over here? It can be 6 outputs. I can have either 1 on the top, or 2 on the top, or 3 on the top, 4, 5, 6. I can't have more than 6. There can be 7 outputs because the faces are 6. So what is my sample space? Sample space means total outputs. What are my total outputs? 6 available. Now if I consider A as an event of odd numbers, means I'll get odd numbers only. How many odd numbers are there? How many odd numbers are there? Give me. Odd numbers means what? Suppose if I make this bracket over here, how many odd numbers are there? It is either 1 or what? I'll have 3 or I'll have 5, right? Because total I'm having 6 only. Out of this 1, 3 and 5. So this is called as what? A is an event of odd numbers. Now B is a event of even numbers. Let's say even. Okay, even numbers. So B is a event of even numbers. So if B is a event of even numbers, what will I write over here? Write fast for the even numbers. Make a bracket and just give me the numbers. Everyone type fast in the comment section. It is 2, 4 or 6, right? So this is my answer, right? Everyone is answering the same. See this, even numbers is 2, 4, 6. Now see, event of multiple of 3. So see here, one thing you must always note, everything will come within these 6 only. That's why it's called a sample space. Complete everything, even odd numbers under this, even numbers under this, and multiples under this. Multiple of 3 means what? It is either 3 or 6. Multiple of 3 means 3 1 3 2. So it is even multiple of 6 means it comes under 3, right? So it comes under over here 3 and 6, right? So what is A union B? A union B means this A and union of B means totally together. So combination of these two, it is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is equal to what? This is same as S. So this is S, sample space. Okay. A and B are called as what? Mutually exclusive events. What do you mean by mutually exclusive events? When two events are mutually exclusive, it means they cannot both occur at same time. But it doesn't necessarily imply that one of them event has to happen. Means it can happen that both the events do not happen at all. So remember the definition of exclusive event. There is one more event called as exhaustive event. What is exhaustive? When two events are exhaustive, it means one of them must occur, strictly must occur. So A and B are called as mutually exclusive events. Remember this, mutually exclusive, and remember the definition also. What is A union C? A union C means this odd. A is what? Odd, and C is what? Multiple. So A union C will be what? 1, 3, 5 will be there. And which one is same over here? 3. We won't take it double. So 1, 3, 5 and only 6. 1, 3, 5 and 6. But this is not equal to sample space, because sample space includes what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is not equal. So A and C are not exhaustive events. Means A and C will never be exhaustive events, but A and B can be exhaustive events. Okay? So got it everyone? Clear? Understand the concept of union and intersection also you need to understand. Intersection means A intersection B, if I ask you, means what? What is common between these two? Nothing. Phi. It's called as null. Okay? Chalo, let me discuss the badge. See this badge for CAIIB selection. Just go through this badge, because ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, everything is covered. All the numericals, case studies, objective questions, everything is covered. 4 compulsory subjects covered. Huge discounts you are getting. Okay? Then Mahapacks, you are getting 15 plus batches in the Mahapacks. So go for it immediately. Let me show you. Use the code Y432. Let me show you how to use the code. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Let me go to Adda. If you are having the app, I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. So let's go to Adda 24/7. See this. Click on JIB and CIB front page. Okay. You'll see this JIB, CIB, Mahapack, CIB 23, JIB 23. Click on CIB 23. Then once you click over here, click on the selection batch. You'll get the details, all the details. What are the days, what are the timings, what are the dates, what is the study plan, everything you get it over here. Follow it, read it. Okay. Now let me see the discounts. See this 599.75, 75% off. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. See this 77% off. 75 was there, now it is 77% off. 2% extra you are getting. So join it immediately. Use the code Y432. Here you will get maximum discounts. In fact, I would suggest you can join the Mahapack. Mahapack means 15 plus batches per subject. Okay. So even if you attend a single batch, means 15 batches, even if you just attend, then also you learn the subject. Because why? You'll have 15 times revision of that same subject. So look at this CIB ka Mahapack. Click on this. Okay. Clicked. Now look at this. All the batches are shown. 15 plus batches for all the 4 subjects. Then you can read this. You can go on reading. Okay. Recorded videos are available. Mock tests are available. Everything is available. Now look at this. The 8749. This is the fees part. 75% off. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 77% off means 34,999 reduces to 8049. Such a huge discount you are getting. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, do join the batches. Okay, join the Mahapack because exams are near. Okay, chalo bye. Keep studying.